Graphics card. A graphic card are also called a video card, display card, graphic adapter GPU, VGA card or VGA, video adapter or display adapter. Is an expansion card which generates a feed of output image to a display device or such as a computer monitor. Frequently, these are advertised as discrete or dedicated graphics card, emphasizing the distinction between this and integrated graphics. At the core of both is the graphics processing unit or GPU, which is the main component that performs computation, but should not be confused with the graphics card as a whole. Although GPU is often used as a metonymic shorthand to refer to graphic cards, most graphic cards are not limited to simple display output. Their integrated graphic processor can perform additional processing, removing disks from the central processor of the computer. For example, NVIDIA and AMD, or previously ITI, produce cards that render the graphics pipelines OpenGL and DirectX. On the hardware level, in the latter, there has also been a tendency to use the computing capabilities of the graphics processor to solve non-graphic tasks, which can be done through the use of OpenCL and CUDI. Graphic cards are used extensively for all training, cryptocurrency mining, and molecular simulation. Usually, the graphics card is made in the form of a printed circuit board or expansion board and inserted into an expansion slot. Universal of Specialist or IGB PCI Express. Some have been made using dedicated enclosures which are connected to the computer via a docking station or a cable. These are known as AGPUIs, discrete GPUIs, or DGPUIs. Usually come in the form of graphic card, while integrated GPUIs or IGPUIs are usually in the form of APUIs, and AMD marketing them for fusing a GPU and CPU onto the same D. IGPUIs are usually less powerful than DGPUIs as they share memory and power draw with the CPU. While DGPUIs have their own VRAM or video random access memory and power draw via PCIe adapters. Discrete GPUIs are usually used by gamers, content creators, crypto miners, and professionals because they are much more powerful than AGPUIs and can process more complex render and visual lighting or shadow effects. Sometimes via ray tracing, integrated GPUIs are less powerful and oriented for more casual users, such as office use, streaming of video content, and like 3D rendering. History, standards such as MDA, CCGA, HiGC, TEDI, PGC, AGA, PGA, MCGA, Quick Draw, or CGA were introduced from and supported by a variety of hardware manufacturers. In the light, the lack of graduates offered discrete 2D quick draw graphic accelerator card for the Apple Macintosh II. Interactive was one of the first companies to develop a consumer-facing GPU with 3D acceleration or with the Voodoo series, and the first to develop a graphical chipset dedicated to 3D but without 2D support, or which therefore required the presence of a 2D card to work. Now the majority of modern graphics cards are built with either AMD sourced or NVIDIA sourced graphics chips. 3DVX Interactive was also an important and often groundbreaking manufacturer. Most graphics cards offer various functions such as the S-card rendering of 3D seconds and 2D graphics.